And he checked out a few hours ago. Time of death anywhere between 14 and 1600.
Suffocation?
He's got a plastic bag over his head, 007. You tell me.
Well, local cops believe it was an accident. Quote, guy wanted to get freaky, took a solo flight, failed to eject.
Well, they may not be too far wrong.
You think he's pulling the Lone Ranger?
Well, put it this way. I don't think he was using the toilet, Tonto.
You right?
Sorry, Sergeant. Hay fever.
It's the Westleys. The bloke's pulling all over the shop.
Lord Sneesby, mate, this is an active crime scene, yeah?